Hello everyone, this is lesson number 50, HSK 4, and let's continue. First one for today is 吃惊, quickly repeat, right? 吃惊 to be surprised, 开心 happy, joyous, joyous, 观众 audience, 讨论 to discuss, 餐厅 canteen, restaurant, 互联网 internet, 京剧 picking opera, 京剧 and 演员 actor or actress 演员 Next one is whole, thick, deep or large. Let's see. This book is very thick, with 500 pages. Alright. 这本书很厚，有500页。有500页。500页。OK. 这本书 this book 很厚 is very thick, right? 很厚 just adjective. Has 有500 500 页 pages. 500页。this book is very thick with 500 pages or have 100 pages. 这本书很厚，有500页。Or if you can fast read, you can say 有500页 because second, third. 有500页 or just 有500页。Next one, his feelings for his friends are very deep. 他对朋友的感情很深厚。So he for friends, 他对朋友的感情 feelings, so feelings to his friends. 他对朋友的感情很深厚。厚 is deep. 深厚 is also the same because 深 is deep. So 深厚 is deep, far, profound. 深厚 but you cannot say water is 厚 you can say water is deep, right? 深 but you cannot say this book is 很深 very deep. You can say 很厚 so but you can say 深厚 or two, right? Deep, profound, strong, in depth, rich, deeper. So his feelings for his friends are very deep. 他对朋友的感情很深厚。Next one, 演出 performance or act to act. Because as you can see, 演员 is actor and 演 the same 演出 is performance to act. So could be verb, could be mostly for noun. Last night performance was very successful. 昨晚的演出非常成功。So 这个昨天 just yesterday 昨晚 last and one it's like evening night. So 昨晚 last night 的演出 performance 非常成功 very successful, really 成功 successful. So last night performance was very successful. 昨晚的演出非常成功。Next one, she will act as the main character on the stage. 她将在舞台上演出主角。Let's see. 她将here is 将you can say will 会 that's the same. 她将在舞台上you can say dance. 台 is some stage. So 舞台 you can say just stage or arena, scene, theater, platform, theater, stage, etc. Because 台 is also a stage, but not the first meaning. A lot of another meaning. But 舞台 is on the stage for some performance. Because 舞 it's not to dance, it's to dance, but dance in different way. 他想在舞台上演出 here is to perform, to act. 主角 here is the main. 角 here is role or character. But also has another pronunciation as a 角 horn, angle, corner. So be careful. 角 is pronunciation for character or role. So she will act as the main character on the stage. 她将在舞台上演出主角 main role. Next one 大概 approximately probably around about because guides assume accept liability. Right. So it has a lot of meanings. But here is just 大概 probably or more or less or about. Well, this piece of clothing probably cost about 200 yuan. So about you can say right. 这件衣服大概需要200元。So 这件衣服钱 measure word 这件衣服大概 probably 需要 requires 200元 200 yuan. So this piece of clothing probably costs about 200. Oh, this piece of clothing costs about 200. You can say 这件衣服大概需要200元。He probably won't agree to this plan. 他大概不会同意这个计划。他大概 probably or here is probably right, not approximately because we're speaking not about some data or some numbers. You say approximate, maybe, probably. Here is probably is better. 他大概不会 so he probably will not 不会同意 agree 同意这个计划 on this plan to this plan. So he probably won't agree to this plan. 他大概不会 will not right 不会同意这个计划。Next one 来自 to come from. This letter comes from my hometown. 这封信来自我的家乡 hometown. And we know 来自我来自什么什么的国家，我来自美国，他美国来自 so come from. So this letter 这封信 measure word for letters 这封信来自 come from 我的家乡 my hometown. 这封信来自我的家乡。Let's see another one. She comes from Guangdong and speak fluent Cantonese. Interesting. 她来自广东 So you can say 来自 and your place. 她来自广东Chinese province. 讲一口流利的粤语。粤语 it's Cantonese. 粤语 you can say 广东话 or 粤语 but 粤语 I think includes a bit more languages. More top in hierarchy. 粤语 it's like here's Cantonese but 流利 fluent. And 口 measure word for languages I think. And 讲 to speak. 就是说讲 the same. So she comes from Guangdong and speak fluent Cantonese. 她来自广东，讲一口流利的粤语。Next one, 变 time and measure word for completed action. It's a bit hard to understand. Let's see examples. I read this article twice. 我把这篇文章读了2遍。So here's like times, 2 times. Or he cleaned the room once. 他打扫一遍 once, twice. Or 你可以说一遍，你可以再说一遍。So can you speak one more time? I didn't understand. You can say here 遍。You cannot say 2次。You can also say 2次。But 遍 is like really for completed action. So I read this article twice. 我把 here is by you can say take 这篇文章 I take this I took this 篇 measure word for 文章 I took this article 篇文章，读了read read 2遍 2 times. So you can see here is 篇 this things on the bottom of this character the same as here is on the right part of this character. 篇 so here is just for pronunciation. 篇我把这篇文章读了2遍 read it twice. 文章 article 文章 or you can say 这个文章 or 这篇文章. Let's see another one. He cleaned the room once. 他把房间打扫了一遍. So 他把 here's 把 okay, also the same. You can say 他打扫了房间一遍 or 他把房间 so he take you can say take he take his room 房间 and cleaned 打扫了一遍 and cleaned it once. 打扫 to clean. 打扫了一遍。他把房间打扫了一遍 once. Next one, or it's occasionally, from time to time or sometimes you can say. So I occasionally go to watch movies. 我偶尔会去看电影 movies. So 偶尔 it's occasionally, sometimes sporadically, every now and then, once in a while, infrequently, occasionally, sporadic. 我偶尔 you can say 偶尔我会去看电影 I go to watch a movie 电影 Here is 会 you can say like I can, or you can just not translate it. 我偶尔会去看电影 Let's see another one. He occasionally comes to the restaurant to eat. 他偶尔会来餐厅吃饭 So he, from time to time, 偶尔会来 comes. You can say 回来 会 is like your habit. Here is a bit strange way to use 会, but you can say he can come. He occasionally can come to restaurants to eat something like that. 会来餐厅吃饭 restaurant 吃饭 to eat. So 他偶尔会来餐厅吃饭 Next one, 基础 foundation 基础 I think last one for today. 基础 foundation or base. Let's see. Mastering grammar is a foundation of language. It's a basic build, fundamental, underlying ground. Basis. 学好语法是语言的基础 So, 学好 you can say mastering or to learn well, to learn 语法 grammar 语法是语言的基础 It's a foundation or base of what? Of a language 语言的基础 So in a reverse way you can read it 学好语法是语言的基础 So mastering grammar is a foundation of language 学好语法是语言的基础 foundation. His math foundation is very solid. 他的数学基础很扎实 solid, strong, sound. It's to connect. For example, make solid progress. 扎实推进 progress. 扎实，他的数学基础很扎实。So his math foundation 数学基础 is very solid. 很扎实。I stop stick puncture. So let's repeat what we learned today. First one, whole, thick, deep, large. 演出 performance to act 大概 大概 approximately probably 大概来自 to come from 变 time a measure word for completed action one time two time right or occasionally 基础 foundation 基础 and let's see one more idiom for today. Last time we learned to follow local custom 入乡随俗 You know 家 from today we also learn 家乡your hometown. Here's to enter hometown, to enter a town, and to follow 随俗 customs. 入乡随俗. And today is a new one. To treat carefully. 入驴薄冰. Let's see. As if treading on thin ice, act with utmost caution. Of the greatest possible degree or amount. Utmost. Like at most. Caution, right? Caution. It's caution. Advice or warning against danger. Care taken to avoid danger. So, let's see. This idiom means acting with extreme action or caution, like walking on a thin ice. 如 here's like 驴 驴 here is like step. 薄 thin 冰 ice. 薄如驴 入驴薄冰 in let's see example in an unfamiliar environment he treats carefully being very cautious 在陌生他做事如履薄冰小心翼翼在陌生 it's unfamiliar or strange you didn't know foreign island 在陌生 also for example 陌生人 it's some strange person you didn't know 在陌生他做事 he to do things work something behave do things 做事如履薄冰 skating on the ice trading on the walking on the eggshell this one also 小心翼翼 also idiom with a great care extremely cautious 小心翼翼 in an familiar environment he treats carefully being very cautious 在陌生他做事如履薄冰小心翼翼 and we also have one new idiom one new 绕口令 tongue twister right last time it was 数数数数数数数数 today is a new one the monkey throats roar at the prince ho 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 monkey ho fraud ho to roar ho prince so as you already can understand this right part of the character represent ho no this character represent ho and here is just another character on the left mouth and here is represent some animals on the left ho monkey ho 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 right fraud ho 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 man to roar someone ho 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 okay that's all see you next one